Hello everyone, welcome to the Drivers Talk Show, where we bring you real stories from real drivers on the ground. Our interview today is very interesting. I want you to watch to the very end of this video because there's a lot you need to hear and there's a lot you need to learn from this particular interview. Our guest today is the CEO of Joe Garden and Transport Services. We have done this with him before on this same channel. You can go and watch it, talking about how you can earn in the transport business. Today, we are going to dive and talk about two serious things. The high purchase, popularly known in Ghana as the work and pay, and then the normal sales that everyone know. We are going to talk about the difference between them because since he is the CEO of Joe Garden Transport Business, has more idea and more knowledge about this thing and how it works. Because people really ask the difference, which means they don't really know. So we will put measures in place and then try to explain it to you. I go by the name High Spirits. Stay with us. So welcome once again to our channel.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's been a while since we had you here. The last time was it was something amazing, and I think some good stuff came out from there, right? Okay, so for the purpose of our video, our new viewers who doesn't know you or haven't seen you before, can you tell us a brief story about yourself?
Thanks for having me once again. So my name is J.K. Osei Ampadu.
Okay.
I'm a CEO of Joe Garden and Transport Services.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, so what are your services as the CEO, and then what does your brand stand for?
All right. Thanks once again. So we are into fleet management.
Okay.
Yes, we are. We also sell cars.
Okay.
We are also into vehicle consultations. If you want to purchase a vehicle,
okay.
You can walk to our office and we can aid you.
Okay.
Yes, to differentiate, looking at your budget and all that.
Okay.
We can assist you to get, a good deal, from your budget.
Okay.
Yes. Then we also train drivers. I think you are aware that we are the Yango partners.
Exactly.
So we also train drivers.
Okay, continue please.
We train drivers. We also give cars out.
Okay.
We give cars to them. We also accept cars from car owners.
Which is like you are managing people's car for them.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Yes. Being work and pay or normal sales.
Okay.
When I say work and pay, that's high purchase.
The high purchase, okay.
Yeah, but Ghana here, we probably call it work and pay.
Sure, we'll get there, we'll get there.
Yeah, exactly. So these are some of our services. We're also into landscaping. We're also into landscaping.
Okay, can you break that down a little bit?
Okay, so that's where the Joe Garden came from. Joe Gardening.
Okay. So it was straight from there.
So initially, from the start we were doing gardening.
Okay.
So we do landscaping.
And you still do that?
Oh, we still do. That now, the work has become very big.
Very big, yeah. So you are not getting time for.
Yeah.
But if you come, you still have time.
Oh, of course. Why not?
Okay. That's nice. So, from our previous video, I learned it went viral, and then good stuff came. Some people bought car for you from outside.
I think I need to give you something. After the interview.
Exactly. That's me. That's what I can do for you out there too. If you're an investor or a partner of any transport management group, you can contact me so that I can do that good stuff for you as well. So
So after our first video, that you came to shoot with us, it went viral.
Okay.
People from outside and within Ghana contacted us.
Okay.
We had a good deal. From that video. That's why I said I need to give you some hamper. Even though it's not Christmas.
That's what my channel can do for you.
yes. So it really brought a lot of things to us.
Okay.
From that video now I can tell you I've had not less than 15 cars.
15 cars.
Yes.
Out of that video.
Yes, out of that video.
Wow.
Yes.
And these are people we don't know now.
Oh no. These are people that we don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, one man from the US, just contacted us. Through the video. He said, "Oh, can we do a video call? I just want to see whether you are the one." I said, "Oh." So we did a video call, and from there he said, "Oh, I want to go in for 5 cars."
Oh, okay.
So last year he sent us the money. He's not in Ghana.
Okay.
He's in the States.
I see.
So he sent the money. We purchased the 5 car for him. Then we registered it in his name.
Okay.
Yes. So it's a form of high purchase.
Okay.
Yes, but all the same, the money was because he's not in Ghana. He sent the money to us. Then we did the purchasing for him.
Okay.
And this year, he's also buying another 5.
Wow.
Yeah, again.
Wow.
Then there are others also in Ghana. We had one woman in Canada who also purchased 2. I mean, there are people in Ghana who are also buying.
Coming forward.
Yes, coming forward. I mean, this year, I mean, has been an amazing year.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. We thank God. We thank God for that.
So I'm grateful. I mean, I'm grateful.
We thank God we are grateful.
I mean, to you and your team.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm grateful.
My manager is here. Yes, some of the acknowledge will go to him as well. He's back though. One day I review his face to you guys. It's very stressful, but he'll just be I'll back up for now. So people has been asking under my comment section a lot when I shoot video about the driving industry. They want to understand the difference between the high purchase and then the normal sales. Okay. Most of them knows about the normal sales, okay. But when it comes to the high purchase, which Ghana here we call it the work and pay, it kind of baffles them small. Yeah. Can you really differentiate or explain to us what does the high purchase mean? Okay, so when you talk about high purchase, it's like going for, I mean, taking money from the bank and be paying you small. Okay. So now you have the principal and the interest. So it's the same. So some people prefer that they will purchase the car for us. Okay. Then so once the car is purchased for us, we have a contract. Okay. There will be a contract that, I mean, two of us will sign. So we have the principal amount. So the amount that you spent on the car, plus the interest. Oh, okay. Yes, Okay. So that's all the whole, I mean, scenario it is. So you have the principal amount and the interest. Yes. So now the car will be registered in your name, whether you are in Ghana or you are not in Ghana. Yeah. The car will be registered in your name. Then you give it to us. So as the car is given to us, we take full charge of the car, full control of the car. Okay. I mean, being repairs, minor ones, I mean, monitorization of the car and everything is under our, our care. So we make sure the car is always in a good condition. Okay. We make sure, I mean, your sales are being paid on time, and we also make sure that you get your money within 2 years. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we will be paying the money until the final payment is done. It's been done. It's done. As after the final payment, then you transfer the car into our name. So in this case, it's like you are buying the car to resell in a couple of years with an interest. Exactly. Oh, okay. Yes, exactly. Which the buyer in this case will be paying bit by bit. Exactly. No, the buyer. Yeah. No. Yes, we will pay the buyer bit by bit. Okay. Until the whole payment is done. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, and it's not only cars. Some people will also say, okay, now maybe because cars are very expensive nowadays. Yeah. It ranges from 80,000 and above and all that. So someone can also say, okay, I don't have the whole money to purchase the car. Okay. I have maybe half of the money. Can I bring it? Okay. Yeah. So some people after the video, we had some people who also came forward that okay, we can't buy the car, but we have this amount, so we want to invest it with you. Okay. Yeah, with an interest. So once that one is given, that money is given to us, we sign a contract with you. Then that money will be paid with the interest, with the agreed interest. Just like the process of the car. Exactly. Okay. Exactly. Okay. Because some people will have the money to buy one or two cars or even more. Exactly. Some will not have the capacity. Okay. To buy a car. But they have maybe half the amount. Which they can invest. Yeah, exactly. So let's say if the car is $2,000, someone will say, okay, I have $1,000. Okay. Oh, can I come and invest it with you? So let's say if person A brings $1,000, we can also get another person to also bring $1,000. Then we add it and buy one. Okay. Yes. And we share the amount. We paying to them. Okay. Or based on the amount they invested. Oh, okay. Yeah, exactly. Okay. And is this a genuine thing or that has to do with Joe Garden Transport Service? I'm talking about the high purchase. The way you break down the high purchase. Is it a genuine thing like this, or this has to do with Joe Garden? No. See, it's every company and what they do. Okay. Yes. Yes. So this is one of the things that we do at Joe Garden. Okay. Yes. So, okay. So you see, at first people have trust issue. Yeah. When it comes to doing some of this business, like giving cars out, because you see. Cars are very expensive to come by. So if someone gets their car, gives you their car, and you are not faithful with them, it becomes something because it's like they won't trust you again. It's a form of investment. Exactly. So initially that was what was happening. Okay. Yes.
So now people comes out and say, oh no, I don't trust this thing again. Does it work? And all that. You understand? Because I've been duped before. I purchased a car for someone. The person was not making sense.
Yeah.
So when it comes to Joe Garden, it's not about we making sales to you or not, because the sales will come.
Yeah.
Based on the agreement, on the contract that we sign with you.
Okay.
Some prefer, they're weekly. Some prefer bi-weekly. Some prefer monthly. You're depending on the agreement.
Okay.
Yeah, your money is assured.
Sure.
Yeah, whether the car, is on the road or not, your money will be paid. That's when it's come to the high purchase.
The high purchase, okay.
Yes.
I wanted to clarify that.
We take full control, full responsibility of the car until all the payment is done. And we make sure that after 2 years, within 2 years, the full payment with the interest
is done.
Yeah, is done.
So in the form of repairing this car in the high purchase contracts, does it have to affect the one who buy it to invest, or you, the company?
So no, the car owner does not come in at all. It does not affect him or her.
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Yes, once the car is given to us, you are done.
Okay.
You are done.
So you just sit back.
One more thing that defines everything is the insurance. So we do comprehensive insurance for these cars.
For the cars. Okay.
Then apart from that, our system tracks the cars 24/7.
Okay.
Then we also put external trackers in the car.
Okay.
Yes. So there's no way. So in every side, the car owner is secure.
Okay.
Because mind you, at the end of the day, the car will be ours.
Okay.
So we make sure
after the 2 years.
After the 2 years, or after the final payment.
The final payment. Okay.
Yes. So we make sure that the car is always good on the road.
Sure.
We make sure that we take proper good care of the car.
Okay.
Yes, because at the end of the day, it's like you are cooking and you know that at the end of the day you are going to eat some of the food.
You have to do it.
Yes, definitely. You won't just put anything.
No. That's
not supposed to be in the food.
Okay.
Yes, so that's how it is.
Okay.
So we have comprehensive insurance. We make sure all our cars are comprehensively insured.
Okay.
So in case of accident, it doesn't really affect
the
us.
company.
Yeah, even though the car might be at the shop for maybe a couple of days.
Okay.
But even within those days, we will still pay the car owner.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That is really good. Yeah, so please, if you are hearing any background noise, the office is very close to the road. Very, very close to the road. So maybe you are hearing a background noise or something. Please partner with me. Please. So you are done with the high purchase, which popularly known in Ghana as the work and pay. Now the normal sales, how does that want to go?
Okay, so the normal sales is like you bringing your car to us, we managing for you.
Okay.
Yes, it's also work the same as the high purchase, but this time around, we will not own the car at the end of the payment. Now, we will not own the car at any time.
At any time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So some car owners feel that I want to own my car.
Forever.
Yes. Why should I use 2 years to pay for the car?
And get some.
So that one, the car owner brings the car to us.
Okay.
They say, okay, manage it for me, because of they don't want a situation whereby they have to chase drivers for their monies. Have to always supervise the car, checking where the car is and all that.
Yeah.
So they bring the cars to us, then we manage for them.
Okay.
So that one too, we give them search. We make sure they get there, because the drivers are our drivers.
Your drivers, okay.
Yeah, our trained drivers. We train them. We make sure. They have gone through the process and all that.
Okay.
So sometimes the car owner does not even get to know the driver.
Okay.
Yes. So because it's our driver.
It's your driver.
Yeah. So we make sure we give the cars to a good driver who will not misuse the car, who will not abuse the car.
Okay.
Then every week or every 2 weeks or every month, depending on the agreement.
That you also have with you.
Yes. That we have with the owner.
Okay.
Then we pay the sales to them.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But that one, when it comes to repairs, is on the car owner.
Every repair.
Yes. Every repair.
Okay.
Of course, there are some minor ones like tire, maybe
changing of oil.
Changing of oil. And there are minor ones that you can consider too.
Okay.
Yes.
That is even if the person signed that agreement with you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can consider.
Okay.
Yes.
So in this case, if I understand well, mostly it used to go like a car owner will buy a car and then give it to a driver, and then the contract is between them. Whatever they are doing is between them. So now he takes that bed and then brings to you.
So now they are shifting from giving the car
personally to
directly to drivers.
Okay.
because now they are looking for company. Because you see, because of issue of the issue of maybe drivers telling them that, oh, we didn't go to work.
Okay.
Maybe I was sick and all that, and the car owner does not have any means
to know whether it's true or not.
Yeah, whether it's true or not.
Yeah,
you understand?
I get it.
Yes. But with us, we are providing the platform for you.
Okay.
You the driver.
Yeah.
So at any point in time, we know where you are.
Okay.
We know what you are doing. And all that.
Okay.
So you
cannot run away from it.
Yes, you cannot run away. You cannot come and tell me, no, I didn't go to work and all that. Because I'm the one giving you the truth. I'm the one giving you all the platform.
Oh, okay.
Yes, to operate.
That is real clear.
So now, car owners feel comfortable dealing with us as a company.
Okay.
And besides, they know that, okay, this is a company, they have office. I can always go
them everywhere.
Go to them and all that. So now they feel comfortable, dealing with us as a company.
Oh,
yes,
okay,
exactly.
Okay. I think that is good for. Is it new thing that is happening now? Because previously, taxi drivers and all, they used to, I'm a driver myself. I've been driving for the past 12 years now. So some of these things I know. So that's why I put up this, how do you call it, channel to talk about drivers specifically. So whatever we are talking right now here is not something that we have heard or done a research of. It is something we know and we are talking about it. So everything you are hearing here is real. Mostly, car owners give their car to drivers and then making sales become a problem. So now the company comes in to take up that burden and then do that for them, which is very amazing. So if you have your car or you are an investor, you want to go into the transport business, look for Joe Garden Transport Services, give your car to them, and they'll do exactly what you want for you. So please, do you have any last words for my viewers? Or is it there something I've not asked you that you want to tell us?
Oh, so so let me say a few words. To our car owners, our viewers out there. So this is Joe Garden and Transport Services. Okay. We are at your service. Wherever you are, it does not prevent you from coming to us or doing business with us.
All right.
You can always reach out to us. Okay. I think our numbers, put our numbers on the screen, and you can always reach out to us. Okay. We have had a couple of people who come to our office that, I parked my cars. I remember about 2 weeks ago, one man came here and he said that he has 5 cars that he has parked. Okay. They are not new, but he gave it to drivers. They misuse the car.
These stories were coming.
Yes, abused the car, so he was fed up.
Okay.
So until I told him about us, and he walked to our office. Are you sure I can trust you guys? Can we do business? Yeah. I said, of course, you can.
You can see that is someone who has given up.
Yes, exactly. So we have had a lot of people out there who have given up doing transport business. Yeah. But I can tell you, transport business is one of the lucrative business that you can have.
I believe.
Yes. Because you see, even if you are doing high purchase, within 2 years, you are getting almost ×2 of your investment.
Your investment, yeah.
I don't know the kind of business that will give you that amount.
Money, yeah.
Yes. So car owners, businessmen, I'm urging you, that we can do business together. You can come to our office. Let's sit down. Let's know your need and how best we can support you. Okay. Yes. So
please, where is this office located?
So we are at Festus. Pokuasi Festus on the main stretch to Amasaman. Yes, we are just on the roadside. Also, you can also get it on the Google map. Okay. Yes. Once you type Joe Garden, it will bring you to our office.
All right. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. If you have watched this video to this far, please try to subscribe to the channel and then also put us on post notification for any new video we drop so that you get it right there. If you want it, or if you have any information that you want to talk to us about, my number will be on the screen. You can talk to us. And if you're a driver or investor, anyone that you like to, share your thoughts about this particular video, you can still reach out to us. We bring you another video. Stay tuned and stay to the channel. Bye-bye.